need to pay for my boat ride. عندي شيء ليش انت وين دمي بيت ماما استيقانا لا شيء تشاو وهلا يو بهنانين سلامنا نمنا انت هنا وادنيا من دناو زاري من دناو سلام دمنا انت هنا
ታምራል
አመሰግናለሁ له
ማን ነው
ቆንጆ በኋላ ወንድሜ ቻው I think one of the reasons I like coming here so much is because like everything is so random. I mean, I don't really have much of a plan when I come here except to enjoy myself, have a good time, and meet new people. Salam. And you just never know what's gonna be around the next corner or who's gonna be there. It's really cool. And this is the place I'm staying. I'll have to do a tour of the room, of the place. I have like a little sitting garden up front. People can pay money to sit and be by the water. These guys have a little garden here. I think this is actually their private residence, and it butts right up next to this hotel, which is right here. It's just kind of hidden. You can't get to them from the road. You have to access the lake from a place that's further down that way, a little ways. Pay an admittance fee to be able to walk the trail that goes along the lake. And then once you're on the trail, I mean, there's a bunch of different hotels. Not a bunch, but one, two, at least two, and then some of the other ones have little huts. People use them during the daytime to just come and sit and relax, chew cod, drink coffee, eat food. But some of them look big enough to stay in. Like, you know, you can rent them for the night. It's like a little camping cabin. You know, just look at these flowers. Beautiful. Look at that. And you got the little bamboo house. You got their little cows. Salam. And then he's my guardian for this little hotel. They've got some cows over there chilling out, just kind of doing their thing. A few years ago, I saw this place under construction. It turned out really nice. It's like a stone and mortar or stone and concrete building, and like a thatched or grass roof. Has heated water that works, so that's good. The lake water is actually pretty warm. I'll be getting in there soon because it's going to be hot today.